In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Facebook professional mode account into the original personal account. So to do this is quite simple. Just head over to your profile icon here and then tap on your name. And as you can see, this is a professional mode account and we have here professional dashboard. And this account was a personal account and now it was converted into a professional mode that now receives followers. To convert back to a personal account where you receive friend requests as usual, tap on these three dots here. And under this, you'll see profile settings. From here, scroll down until you see turn off professional mode. If you see this, it means that you are in professional mode and you can now go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead and tap on it. And we are told here turn off professional mode. So we shall proceed by tapping on continue and then confirm by tapping on turn off. And as you can see, professional mode turned off successfully. So go ahead and close this. So if you go back to a page and then refresh it, you see now I have turned to my friend requests and these are the friends that I have. So that's how you change your Facebook account from professional mode to personal account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.